That was the last layer, right? It's going to get into magnesium. Too much magnesium may kill it. We'll see. It's going through the magnesium. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh, that's magnesium. Did you see that bright sparks? What's that red? That's that pink. Lithium?
Lithium.
Lithium. And going to the magnesium, going. Oh, look, test tube is all. Wow! Did you see that? It's yellow sparks and bright sparks of magnesium. Oh my God! Look at that! And another layer coming. That's layer number 1. You will have magnesium and sugar and gold. Look how hot the test tube is. It's almost melting and bending, right?
Wow.
The test tube.
Oh my
Look at it.
God.
There is another layer left.